Okay, and I should be live right now. I still have a couple of things set up. I had to well, I didn't have to recompile FFmpeg, but it did not work without recompiling. So, yeah. Um, let's see. Is there an audio delay again? I don't hear anything right now. Is my microphone working? Yes, it appears to be working. Oh, whoops, muted. Oh, whoops, muted. Okay. Audio seems to be working. Let's quickly put my chat in place. Um, let's open Grow projects. That's another 5. This one on tap. Wait, why can't I? Okay, I think I'm almost ready. I will probably need to recompile FFmpeg at some point, so I should probably prepare for that. Go then, let's go into the libs folder. Oh, and my phone's going off. And let's start. So right now there's 4 people watching according to YouTube, and on Twitch there is 1 person. Oh, hey Manadal. You really should keep binaries tucked away in a folder and choose symlinks to switch them out. I should. I keep running into issues with the whole FFmpeg related stuff. It's not fun anymore. Oh. Oh. That's F11, this one. Voila. Let's make this a little bit better. Let's go to GFM, especially for FFmpeg since it takes forever. Compiling FFmpeg takes like around 5 to 10 minutes on my system, and honestly, I don't really need to recompile FFmpeg that much. I've only did it once, and I made some amount of changes. If we go into here, I did make some changes to the libraries that we're using. There are probably still a little bit too many libraries here, too many things that we may not need, but yeah, it's something to worry about later. I removed the hardware decoding stuff because I don't use it yet. Something I may do is enable static instead, because I've noticed it works on my system, but on a virtual machine that I have that's also Linux based, for some reason it does not work. I have not gone too much into things. I have had to learn to do that for work, since recompiling the environment takes typically 2 to 3 hours. That sounds very troublesome. Okay, am I showing my screen? I actually have no idea. Voila, now I'm showing my screen. So I did make some changes about bits, things are being compiled to the FFmpeg. I hope this won't cause any trouble. I should probably recompile FFmpeg at least once, just so I know that I'm working with something that actually works. Why is the spacing so strange? Okay, FFmpeg. No, not FFmpeg. Bin. Let's just do a completely new reinstall. So dot FFmpeg dot sh. Let's first clean everything. And let's recompile. A lib And enable. Okay, so a new one that I entered I should not have done. Where is it? I think I'm blind. Okay. So that one is non-free. We cannot use that one, I guess. Talking about how long FFmpeg compiles. I think I made, yeah, I'm only using 4, so let's change that to 9. I should probably have changed this to 9 to begin with. And let's quickly recompile. Oops, let's also delete these. There's no enable everything switch or something. No, I don't think so. When I looked in the, let's quickly take the configure script. When looking in here, I could not really see anything like that. Also, this script has not been updated since 2008. Or not be copyrighted since 2008. Yes, there's a lot. So even if you enable things, enable version 3. Did I do that? Whoops. Oh yeah, I did. Everything's alive. On Twitch, I need like 20 more followers. I don't know how I can possibly grow on Twitch except for just streaming whilst I go live on YouTube. Maybe I should do more of the casual, working on Gozen, working on godot related stuff, like more the casual type of kinds on Twitch, and only the like goal specific things on YouTube and Twitch. Some don't support it, or some GPL3 affects a bunch of dependencies. Yes. Without GPL3, I cannot use the libx codecs, I think. And without enabling this, I cannot even render out videos on in certain formats. It's a pain. Okay. Okay, so we are starting to get all the basically nodes and such. So it's almost done compiling FFmpeg. Compiling the DD extension is a matter of like seconds. Okay, so today's video I only need to implement, well, only need to, let's not do this one. I only need to implement code from this script into the code itself, so it won't, it hopefully won't take too long. And whilst FFmpeg is busy, I can basically start already with it. It's not that important that FFmpeg is compiled for this. So in our view script, we have set view, and this basically prepares the texture and everything else around it. That print statement was because FFmpeg was having an issue again, that it did not do certain things. Oh. Okay, FFmpeg is done. Sconsman J and dev build, yes. Please don't say that scons isn't working now. A reinstall? Please say it works now. Every single time when I do a live stream, things just keep breaking. No module named scones. Why is everything broken? Okay, this does not make sense. Like, why does nothing work right now? Any ideas? Oh, hey Smax. Scones is just a Python tool too, so probably a mismatch. Try to pip install. Yeah. Pip also does not want to work, so I think I'll do sudo downgrade, and let's hope this works. Let's go to this one. Please say that it works. Oh. Yeah, I was starting to sweat there. Okay, normally this should work now. I should be able to import videos again.
Smacks just followed.
Yay, follower. I should probably wear... Thanks for following, by the way. I should probably wear my headphones just so I can actually hear when something happens and that I don't get freaked out again. Okay, so adding the file works. So what works right now? Audio playback should normally work. Oh. That does not sound very good. Oh, and by the way, I won't use for only chat on Twitch as it is. Okay, let's quickly disable that. I thought it would encourage people to follow, but yeah, I don't really have any person talking yet. Magic. Okay, so looking at the doc for the event pack, it appears that you have to build or install so of the dependencies yourself. Yeah, if I don't have the dependencies installed, it will not work. But the audio sounds too low. Like if we go to the original, I should really find another file, another video to use. Oh. Oh. Why did Python decide today to break everything? Sudo downgrade. Let's also downgrade that one. MPV. So some things update and other things don't. Okay, that is very, very helpful. I guess it's this one. Okay, MPV. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's use VLC. Yeah, no, my voice sounds a lot lower in this version. Like that feels like something with the pitch is wrong. I could quickly, let's quickly render this one out so I can compare the audio to each other. So normally rendering should work, and I'm going over the frames now whilst I really shouldn't. That's something I need to improve right now. It takes a long time to go through all different frames, whilst during normal playback it goes a lot faster. So FFmpeg and the whole rendering thing should probably be put in like multi-threading or something. Or I save the pictures and send it one by one to, yeah, I don't know yet how I will make this faster than it is now. So if I take Audacity, please don't be broken as well. Okay. It may have gotten a bad reputation recently, but at least it works. Test audio. Okay, so it's a lot longer. And not a lot, but it is longer. So that tells me that ffmpeg.c++. So get audio is wrong. So okay, this will be another C++ stream apparently. I guess it's not too important, but the frames from video playback do rely. Like the clip length relies on the audio. So this is a pain. Maybe disabling multi-threading can fix the issue. Because apparently multi-threading breaks things on ffmpeg now. No, oops, not test audio. No, let's try this one. Let's clean this one. And test audio. Wait, was it actually broken? Yeah, probably. Okay, so look at but also if they are the wrong versions, it can cause issues, especially for AC1 apparently. So far I have never really ran into dependency issues. So it happens with ffmpeg and suddenly it happens on my entire system because of Python. This is fun. And I should... Nope. Did I compile before rendering or not? I call that this one. This should normally be 10 seconds long. We'll go a little bit faster to test. We'll select enable. No. Rendering complete. Okay, so multi-threading did not cause any issues. So what did? I really wish there was a way to like quickly troubleshoot ffmpeg stuff. Okay, so I have two options right now. Or I first get on the frame decode, like the frame showing stuff, or I first try to do this. The frame showing stuff will work for the first couple of frames, but towards the end it will probably crash because we're trying to get frames that are not there because of the difference in lengths. No, I really wish this wasn't an issue. Hey Gigi. Welcome back to C++ with dummies. Well, dummy. This was working. Wait, is it like fully broken right now if I just take normal audio? Please don't say that normal audio is now also somehow broken. Please. I've had enough things not working today. So we have the original and we have the test audio complete. Yep, no, that's correct. So the error happens because of video files. Welcome back to C++ shenanigans. Woo. I think I'll first work on the frame showing implementation because that code is basically done and it's just copy and pasting. Looks like levels are divided by 2 though. Yeah, it's divided by 2 because I'm going to, like, I go from mono to stereo. When I export videos, I want to export the video to be in stereo and not mono. So that looks correct. What is not correct right now is when I import. Wait, get hardware. Do I use this function? I think I use it for video files. So if I add a video, normally it should say, yeah, test. Test, but it's not. Okay, so something is going wrong in here, but what could be going wrong? If we add in a video, if we add in a normal audio file, it's correct. The moment that we add a video, it's not correct anymore. So that or means that the format is not correct or the stream has wrong data, but we need to convert everything, so that could possibly also be an issue. I do think for the out channel, whoops, I should really stop hitting my microphone. Can I like open this thing without covering? Okay, so the out channel outputs, let's quickly. Let's make this a little bit more readable. So sample rate, and then we go to that channel. Okay, that did not have a readability. I have no idea what can be going wrong this time. Why does it work for audio files but not video files? What is different about video files that it would cause an issue? The out sample format. Wait. So we have the channel layout, which should be the stereo. We're using that one. Out sample formats. That's correct, but the sample rate is not correct. Okay. Can I change this just manually to 44100? Okay, I think this may solve the issue. Let's hope. But I don't know why it has been working fine for audio files and not for video files. Let's see. No, don't ask me again. Complete. Kid's still not feeling like sleeping, so won't be able to focus too much on here. Well, Same for my kids. I keep hearing my wife shout at them, so... But the older kid, the small kid does not really do anything yet. Yeah, I don't know what is the issue in this case. I think I'll probably have to do this fix another time tomorrow probably. I don't know why it happens, and I don't know how to solve it. Maybe I should... So I cheated and I don't feel dirty. It's just running the build inside WSL now. Huh? Which build? Okay. Well, I guess I'll fix the audio issue later. So let's add that to my to-do list. Yay. Fix audio too long issue. Video importing. I was so close to finishing, so I copied over the DD Gozen function repo, made an own version of it for Gozen. It's just plain window, create files panel, create a view panel, create timeline, undo redo system, which has been a big thing, and I'm glad I got it because now like it's so much more convenient to like troubleshoot stuff and to like do things. I can just undo, redo, undo, redo, undo, redo. This is... I wanted to have this in the previous versions as well, but I never got around to it, and I'm so glad I did because it actually made the whole code itself easier to understand. It's easier to know where things are going wrong, and it's easier to break things up into different parts. WSL is really just a full Linux plus... the GD extension. Because WSL is easier than building on Windows. Eventpack seems to expect a weird mix of MSVC and... yeah. WSL is... yeah. It's... compiling on Windows is a nightmare right now. But I'm glad it's not only the GD extension, it's Eventpack in general. Okay, so... well, let's forget about the audio issue for some time. And first up, I need to get this. So we need to get the varl video. Let's take video is I forgot where the project.files data, and here we need the L clip AD. Oh, I don't think I'm passing the ID. I'm only I only have the ideas from the... that's the track ID. So first we need to do project. No, load the clips. We take the AID one, and then ID. And of course this creates an issue. Wait, files data. This has been too long. File data. Instead of here we have video, but video cannot be found in the current scope because there are issues? Why Wait, why does FFmpeg pack suddenly not... We open the video. Why is this not... Okay, let's open it again. Files, data. Why can we not find video now? Okay, this should work. So why is it not working? Could not find type video in the current scope. Let's just restart Godot. We will need to close this one again, open it again. Okay, so now it's just an unused variable. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we have the video stuff. We set the texture. Now we need to set all the shaders. So setting the shaders. Let's do like it's advent of course. So first we need to set the correct shader. Okay. I will be right back. Okay, so apparently my kid is doing quite troublesome and the baby keeps crying, so I don't know if I'll be able to keep streaming like this. Okay, so first we need to set the correct shader. That's basically a small thing to do. First of all, let's not save this. So setting the shader is basically this. So we have the whole full color, the half color. That's another annoying thing. Setting the color profile. Whoops. I think we only need to set the color profile once, so that's at least one thing. Set resolution. And then set the image itself should be done through here. So if I'll just go with this. So if loaded clips type is an image, then set effects. LF for video. For video, we first need to... Do we? Create an image texture from... I think these are like the only things that I will need to do. I could... I don't need to. I think the moment that I stop using an image, it goes out of memory anyway. So I don't think this will cause any memory issues by not having the image and the image texture predefined. And I guess I can just put this directly instead of here. The playback will be a little bit more difficult to like find which get correct frame number from video. So I think these are the only things that I will need to do, so not too much work. So let's just copy paste and let's see what works and what doesn't. I won't have any hardware decoding yet because it does not really work too well anyway. So let's just do this. Oh, whoops. None there. Wait, why do I feel like this did not load properly? Okay. So set the correct shader for the video file. We don't have the shader material yet. L material. And these are all for the playback itself, the updating on frames. So let's just put it over here for now. This will create an error. So we don't create these anymore. Oh, whoops. So we create an image texture. We don't have any UV resolution yet, so where does that come from again? Let's share the materials. We basically replace this by this. The moment that I have Gozen working, I will start doing Advent of Code again. I really feel like wanting to finish it, so yes, it's time consuming, but I'll be able to actually use Gozen to edit those videos, so I don't feel like it will be too big of a waste of time anymore, because I will see what do I need to make Gozen into an actual video editor, like what features are still missing to edit comfortably. Okay, so share material not declared in the current scope. That is because we have not declared it. Share material, so L material. So that removes that error. There's still the whole resolution thing that we have not done yet, and the padding. Let's create a new one. Oh, whoops. Oh. So we have our video views, loaded clips, var. But do we? I think that's something for files data. So file data. Let's add this one to the to-do list. So we need to var padding int. We also need var resolution, which is a vector to I. When loading in a video, we need to set. When loading in a video, we need to set that data. So necessary metadata. So padding is video dot no video. Let's say the first one, get padding and resolution video 0 dot get resolution. That should be it. I used way too many times. Okay, so back to this one. So for resolution, we should, to make things easy, I should just var L resolution is a vector to I is loaded clips a id dot id project dot files data dot resolution. And then also the padding. Res.y, res.y, and .x. But we use U resolution. Is that because we do it divided by 2, or like how do we set the U resolution? Okay, let's just go in here. UV resolution. Okay. Well, oops. What's the issue? Invalid operators. Oh, whoops. That's an integer. So that should set the material with the data, with the actual frame image. So get correct frame from video. So we need to... Okay, so we're doing something wrong here. We should not create an empty image. Why do we set an empty image here? Oh, we create an empty image to update the image the whole time. So L video, wait, do we get L video from somewhere? I don't think so. So let's do this. L video dot get v data. L oh wait, this should be y. Too many pop-ups. So the shader does not exist, and that's because we don't have these folders. Also, if we go into shaders, for now I think I will just remove these. I don't think I will do any hardware decoding anytime soon. Then in here we have all of this stuff. This is all for the effects, so let's first do this. So we need to add all these things. I think this will be rather easy to do, so I just do... I guess I can just do this. What is the texture? What is the texture in we have 4 viewers on Twitch, that's new. Nobody's really talking that Godot. So Godot documentation. What is a texture in... Oh, whoops. Godot documentation. So we need the shader tab. Let's hope I directly find it. Nope, that's not the thing that I need. Canvas item shader. Okay, so in here, texture. So I think I can just put this one in here and this should work. Let's not delete it. Let's just... I... I don't know if this will work. So I think what I may do is to move this line for testing. Effects. Okay, these are done. Up to the view panel again. So we set select the color profile. That code should be over here. I just realized, like, resolution and padding I could probably get from the video file directly. Ah, well, let's leave it like that for now. Get correct frame for the video. Material. Okay, and this should be working. So setting color profile, setting the resolution. Is this something that I do in here? Wait, why is this only white? Okay. Setting the resolution. I don't think we need this anymore. Create a new placeholder image for the resolution set to set. Oh, okay. So we do need to set the resolution of the... Let's put this over here, because that's probably going to be that. Video dots get resolution. I know I could probably get it from the file data, but I can also just do this. Normally this should do something. Expect that most 4 but received 5, so create from image. Nope, image creates. So the width, the height, use bitmaps, the format. Wait, why don't we need to update it, like add the data? Okay, I'll have a small little break. Yeah, I'll be right back. And I am back. Let's hope the kids stays a little bit quiet this time. Okay. Okay, so I think, yeah. Kids still won't sleep. Well, same problem here. I'm only giving myself 30 more minutes. I shouldn't stay up too long. I kind of have a lot of things to do tomorrow, so... but I cannot create an image like this. I thought I could, so let's quickly take the image class. So, image, let's close this. How can we create an image and pass the data directly? Because right now, create from data. Okay. From... Wait, so what is the difference then between... What's the difference between just create, deprecate it? Okay. Well, it does make more sense to call it create empty and create from data. By the way, my laptop's RAM slot is dead, so I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. If you have... I was going to say, if you have like a multimeter, maybe you can like check if it's the connections going through, and else you can just replace the slots. But I don't know what your soldering skills are, but I also know like soldering those kind of tiny things, it's kind of a pain. Like, yeah, this keyboard, a lot of tiny pieces that I had to solder, which were a lot bigger than my sausages. So I don't really have that. I very recently got one. I won't show it. It's a multimeter. It's not that exciting. Like, it's kind of a nice thing to have, a multimeter. I want to get a more expensive one, but on the other hand, I felt like let's just get a very cheap one for the small things that I need it for. I do want to get more into making electronics. That's something I want to get more into, but yes, learning new hobbies and hobbies in general, they cost some amount of money. Are you making sure you keep the source data allocated until FFmpeg doesn't need it? Shared ownership is dangerous. Are you making sure you keep the data allocated until FFmpeg doesn't need it? I think I do. I'm almost certain that I do. Okay, let's see. Normally this should do something. Wait, there's a shader error? Oh. So that does not work. Wait, I think what I need to do is just... I think I just need to do this. So in the full shader, let's do the exact same thing. Let's remove texture. I think texture only gets the correct color pixel from the texture itself with the UV. So we take the texture data, we pass in the UV, so we probably get like the position of the pixel to get the correct color. So this should normally work. And let's just remove these lines. Let's have some fun. Let's live on the edge. Voila. Let's do this. Okay, so this should work. So we open the video. Out of bounds, get index on dictionary. So we cannot get the video cut. Are we out of bounds because of... Are we out of bounds because the videos are not loaded, or like what's the problem this time? Oh wait, no. Okay. Yeah, no. So this should be file ID. So var l. Let's just do var l. Data is file data. Let's just do this because else it will get a little bit too confusing here. L data. I probably don't even need to like create these entries, but let's just leave it like this for now. A dead RAM slot. I think that's not the easiest to fix. Okay, so we should have something. Also, clip data. I'll quickly add an effect here so the oh, it works and I can hear the sound. Yeah, the sound plays, but the sound import is not correct. I will quickly add an effect here so the sound is not too loud from that clip. So change dB minus, let's say minus 20. Can I ban? No, not one, not ban. Yay! I finally have somebody talking in Twitch chats, and then it's, yeah. Kokoku. What's Kokoku in English again? Advertisements. Okay, and I really need to do something about that open video text because that's kind of annoying. Okay, sound is lower. We still don't get an image. Let's just do a very quick and dirty L video dots. Get frame. No. Seek frame. Okay, seek frame. And let's go to 2. And that's an oh, whoops. Okay. I create from data copies, so there shouldn't be lifetime issues. Yeah, I don't think I could directly create like an image with that data. The whole like UF to RGB conversion is kind of annoying to deal with. It will be a lot easier if it would be able to directly display inside. On the other hand, like, why don't I get an image? Oh wait, no, whoops, my fault. Last one. Okay, I thought this will be easy. Why is this not working? Wait, let's leave this one here. Like, we still need to create the whole function anyway. Let's put this in a print so we can see if there's like something going wrong. Normally this should result in a 0. Yep. So we should get some data. Why is this not working? Are we actually setting the image? So we do something. We set the image a little bit too many times, though. That's still something I need to work upon, I think. So how many times did I set it? Oh, way too many. How about you do this? So this works. Okay, so the data, we do get the data. Wait a minute. Why? Why is it red? Because of... If I put this. Okay. So it's just because it's red value. Oh, whoopsie. So sending the image to the shader is not working right now. Are we setting the shader correctly? Full shader. Okay, let's see if this works. Also, I noticed one mistake that I've been doing here. This should be AID. But we set the image, we set the... Wait, this is never being called. Wait, why is... So you're directly going from zero, from nothing to... We never set the view. Why don't we set the view? So that's the issue right now. So we need to set the view. Clip ID, get clip. But we set the view in here. Wait, no. There is one missing, so... Are we never setting the type? If you set an image, no, let's take an image. Okay, no, so that sets it. Oh, why did that suddenly break everything? dot get type. Okay. What's wrong this time? Okay. Cannot get null. I thought this was like a thing that just returns null. If the parent property does not exist, return null. Can I get null? If it's null, we should probably return. That's an... So if image video, so it is of type video. So there's just something wrong with... Oh, wait. Whoops. Okay. We do get something. What we get is completely wrong. But we get something. Okay, so probably have deleted that one. File data. One, two, three, four, whoops. 5. Let's see if this works. If this does not work, then we're in for some troubleshooting again. We can see that it's a standard shader. Okay, so we are getting the shader. We are setting the color profile. We don't even need the AID. We can just take any feature file. Okay, so there is something... There's something not going correct with how we set the shader. It appears to be empty data. Okay, how about we don't set the shader for now? If you don't set the shader and we just do this. And here, let's set this to the image texture. So this should again be the black and white, the red one. Let me set this in the timeline. Okay, so we do get data. Is it possible that the data, the moment that we create it and send it to the shader, that it does not 100% work? Or did the code that I standard shader? If you do this, I set this on here. Oh. Let's enable the shaders again. Well, that's wrong. Okay. Okay, and let's add the video file, and normally now it's white. It's still white. Hey Lord Anubis, how's your day going? I hope less things not working than my day. I hope more things are working for you than for me. I feel like there's something wrong with the data itself. So let's call this L by var L U, which is an image texture. And var L LUV, which is also an image texture. Whoops, where am I? Expected end of file, so oops. And then here, instead of sending all of this data, I'm a software developer too, so I think you can guess how things are going. Well, you're a software engine, a software developer. Have you ever ran into a problem like this? So if I go to my video class, I need to have a print statement. I just print something, just do something here. Because if I don't do this, FFmpeg just magically crashes. I first thought it was of the multi-threading stuff, but that does not make sense because this is before I enable all the multi-threading. So there is something very strange going on. Magical print statements, or as in the I think in the FFmpeg class, when I try to get the audio of files, I need to have a random if statement. Like, I think I can probably replace it by a print statement as well instead of an if statement. Adding this makes FFmpeg happy and makes it work. Not doing this and everything crashes, or it just says that there is not a valid argument in here. So yeah, I've been running into very strange issues today. The issue that I'm facing now with things not 100% showing up, that's probably one of the easier issues that I've had so far. Well, easy. So it's still white. How about to put it on 20? Maybe it's the frame that we're getting that is not. Are we? Okay, it's really hard to diagnose in this way, but it looked like you had a return statement at the end of that if. So you probably never get to the next part of the code that... No. So that's the strange part. Whoops. What did I do? Oh, whoops. So if I go in here into the playback class, yeah, if this function were to run, I would not be able to get the data of video files and audio files. It never goes in here. This never prints. This does not do anything because it's always going to be higher than 0. I don't know how it happens, but just adding this makes it work. I think I could probably test by like... Wait, I'll show. So normally this would print if I add audio. So far I've been putting a lot of stuff inside of here and it never really like did anything. Voila, it loads properly. But if I do this, I comment this one out and I quickly compile this and I run it again. Somehow it magically crashes. It's just very fun for troubleshooting. So okay, this was crashing before. Yes, it works again. Okay, but I still have the other thing. So to prove that I'm not crazy, because right now I'm starting to doubt my sanity. So if I remove this and I compile again, whoops. There are a bunch of errors coming. Don't worry about that. Okay, so if I run this now and I add a video file, it will crash. It magically crashes. No error inside of here. I just got the usual garbage from Godot. So it crashed for any reason. Now, if I add an if statement here, so if 0 is not 0, return -1. Let's just add this. If I just add something dumb, and like actually dumb, wait, 0 is not 0, yeah. 0 is always 0, so it won't return. Okay, so now we run this, and now I add the video, it works. So, I have not been hallucinating. This is an actual thing that's happening right now. And okay, oh, right now I have to test if I can reproduce that. If you can reproduce that, then I'm very, very curious if you can find out why this works, why this does not work. So just a random essay. This is not even because of the multi-threading right now, because the multi-threading is only put in much later. So somehow this is a problem. I have no, I've never run into this kind of an issue. So, Menadal, your thing about the race thing, the race condition, the error message, this is the error message. So, it has to do with libc. But that's basically the only thing I can tell from this. It happens because of libc. And this has been like going through my mind for the past couple of hours because this does not make sense. This should not be happening right now. So I really want to know, what am I doing wrong? I know I'm not the best programmer. I know that I make mistakes in my code and that I'm not writing the most 100% performant code. But this does not make sense. Can you create an object dump of the generated files? I don't really know how to do that. The line 50. If I put something on line 50, wait, I don't know if I pushed that code already. Oh yeah, no, it should be there. So as long as I put something on line 50 under the path is apath.utf8, it should do something. Okay, so I can use the debugger to step through and see exactly where things go wrong. With GD extensions, you cannot. Oh, if I do object dump, I can see what line it is. Wait, it only works if this line is in there. It isn't in mine and it works. Well, that's the same thing with the audio. For some reason, the audio thing is now working because I used to have, like, I needed this. I needed an if statement. And first I thought, like Menadal said, it's about, like, it needs to get this thing because probably, like, lazy loading or anything. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's... Oh, this is frustrating. Like, let's remove it one more time, just for good measures. So now, normally, things should crash again. So compiled. Okay, why does it work now? Like, I'm not hallucinating. You also saw that this was happening. Okay, it's crashing again now. Wait. If I add an extra enter here... the plot thickens. I need to add an extra space here. So if I remove this... Okay, this is very annoying. Okay, so now it crashes. Let's put an extra enter there again. Okay, it's not really doing anything. I am not a very big C++ user, but I thought it does not really matter where you put your things as long as you add, like, the semicolon at the end. So how is this possible that adding and removing an enter gives a different result? Okay, so the object dump file. So, and now if just a random space changes the code gen, I really want to check the diff, because it should definitely not. But the thing is as well, like, it's not compiling anything else. It's just taking it from cache. Oh wait, no, it's taking it's probably no. Okay, so it probably has, like, a saved way, a saved state of that file, and it retrieves that, and yeah, okay. So how do I do this? How do I create the object dump? Like, could be about GCC bug report. If you choose Ming W right now, I could totally imagine such stupid things happening. Like, do I really need like the? But which files should I object dump then? Is it just oh whoops? Is it just GD extension then or um, yeah bin Linux? So why are there actually like so many files as well? I don't remember there being so many different files. Like for some reason I have SO.60 and SO.61. I hear the kid crying, but it also sounds from it outside. So I do um I'll have a quick check because I have no idea if it's my kit or not. Oh, by the way, I'm only using 6.0 built from the repo. I think I moved the GD extension to 6.1. So I think maybe it's a 6.1 issue. Wait, let's quickly check. Yeah, 6.1. I'm using 6.1. Okay, so the GD extension dynamic clip. Okay. Let's see. Like this is kind of annoying. I wait. It's just true in random log guard in get file meta. I have my kid on my lap, so not fully focused. I have my kid crying in the background. And okay, it's really just random timing. I don't think it's random timing. Object dump. So opt dump. Wait, why can't I? Lib goes in. Whoops. Oh. Full contents. Debugging. Like this makes me feel like I'm doing something, but I'll stop this. Check for baby or Godzilla first. I heard you can never be sure. You have to type on the keyboard while watching. Hack no. Okay. Let's try that one more time. I should probably change the color to like bright green like I had before then. Pipe to a file, obviously. I always hate that movies do that. Oh. Before I learned how to program and I saw things like that happening in movies, I was already like, even I can tell that's not real. And when I say like, when I saw those things when I was not even programming, I started programming when I was 9, so I saw those things when I was 8, 7, 6, and at that time I already knew, at that age I already knew that it was probably not real. Before studying programming, I did an apprenticeship as an electrician. Know how that feels when hackers hack computers and outlets on the full explode. Oh. Okay, pipe to a file. Oh, whoops. That's the wrong one. Wait, over there. Okay, so, how do I pipe to a file? I know I need to use, the arrows. Touch test? Nope, that's not it. Nope, that's not it. No. Am I using the wrong ones? Okay, that file is empty. Okay, so I was using the correct ones. Just use file name. Crazy Linux user overcomplicating things. I am a Linux user, but I would not call myself like an actual like Linux user. I use things out of convenience. This is taking a lot of data. This is 301 megabytes. Oh. Okay, this is one very nice thing that I like about Vim. It's so fast. I can go through this file without any issues. In any other text editor, this would cause a major problem. So I want to go to line 10,000. Voila. Okay, but what do I need to find in here now? So I have this file, but like, what do I need to look for? Oh, whoops. Okay, I thought I would be able to find the open function, but apparently not. Okay, so you make one before and after. Oh, okay. So I should probably not have called it test. So let's change test to test one. Oh, oops, test one. So wait, is this the working one or the not working one? This is the working one. So removing this empty space. I need to compile again. And this will break things normally. Yep. Knowing C++, this feels like trolling you. Now do your change, recompile, and then compare, but there shouldn't be any difference. Yeah, I don't like C++ anymore. I want to, I want this to stop. Okay, so I can just do diff test 1 and test 2. So I think this works. Could be a GCC. Could be a GCC bug at that point. I feel like I don't know what was supposed to happen, but I think this was not supposed to happen. How does removing an enter have this kind of result? really feel like giving up with, with this. Like this does not make sense to me. Oh wait, there's... I think I crashed new of him. I've never had this happen before, that a file is too big to open a new of him. It is 509 megabytes. It's almost double the size as the other results. But between test 1 and test 2, I can see a difference of around 1000 bytes from removing one enter. What is even happening anymore? Right now, I don't know, but for some reason, this magical... I just realized something. So in here I had this. How about I leave an empty space here? No, I have enough things not working, so let's keep it at this. So I don't understand this. Oh wait, I guess that's random address layout kicking in. Just compare the library files before and after. How do I do that? Okay, so I don't need these anymore, and I'll just create a folder. Let's call it test. So in here I have the... Wait, is that one working or not? This one is a not working one, right? Yep. So not working. No. 1, 2. Bad. Okay, let's add enter again. Let's compile. Let's run to make certain that it works now. Yep, it works. So this one is good. Oh, whoops. Delete. So this one is good. So can I compare these two to each other? They do have a different size, but this time it's not one. Yeah, it's only very slight change in size. And do object dump minus j dot text. Binary files are hard to compare as is. Okay, so well, this is a working one now, I think. So let's quickly... Oh, whoops. Let's quickly make this file unusable again by adding an enter. Okay, so object dump minus j. This command only keeps the interesting parts, and it should be a lot smaller. So object dump minus j dot text. Wait, what was I using before? I was using, okay, so minus j. Ah, okay, 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 okay. Um, the parameters file at the end. Okay, okay, okay. I'm glad that you guys have a lot of patience with me. Minus j dot text. Okay. My main OS isn't even Linux. I spent most of my time in a terminal because of NeoVim. But I don't, like the whole C++ thing with debugging C++, it's something I have not done. Like it's never worked for DD extensions anyway, so I never really bothered to learn more about it. Object dump dot minus j dot text. Do I need a capital J? Nope. Is it dot text or dot no, not dot text? I am doing the correct thing. Attached? No. Is the file name correct? Yep. Should I do this? Nope. Can you turn off GCC optimizations using... The problem is it's running sconce. It's running through sconce, so I don't know how I can change those things. To the make file. You do need a space after J. Yes, but if it... Oh, whoops. Oh. And I lost everything. Okay. So. You could remove optimization, but then it won't really... Yeah. I don't even see where this could be going wrong with the make file. Godot CPP as an environment. You have a weird version of object dump. Thank you. So Nope. It's could probably just set that environment variable when calling sconce too. That's a real long pattern unless you're No, I'm typing on purpose because yeah, the password on this PC is not too long and I don't want people to be able to guess. Okay, I'm annoyed at this problem. Could adding an enter to CPP file causes error. Nope. Like, I wonder, even if I want to report this, how do I report this kind of an issue? How would I, like, what would the issue name be? Like, adding an enter crashes the program. uh, um, that's just this is symbols and then shows the tables. Nope. How to compare the shared nope. Nope. Nope, this is too much text, so I just skip this. This looks nice. Oh. Let's download random things. So, wait. I see. I forgot to add the D option. It's an extra byte space. Shouldn't even get that far as a difference. Yeah, but the file size difference is like the file size difference is around like 34 bytes. That's it. 34 bytes difference. Not 24. 24 bytes difference. How many bytes is an enter? Two bytes. Yep, no. Oh wait, that's bits? No, bytes. I forgot to add the D option. Where will the D option be? Oh wow, whoa. There's really a difference. What the actual? Only it's just N, so don't need to don't need so far for that. So okay, so add option D. So if I okay, so we get this one, and then if we go cats test 1. I forgot to do the typing thing. Okay, and now we compile with breaking change. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's do a quick test. Does it not? Does it still crash or not? Let's find out in today's episode of Everything Goes Wrong for Me Today. Okay, it does not crash, so we got what we want, I guess. Okay, and we do this test too. And then we had the whole diff thing. What? No. Okay, so this is what you get. So you don't have the file that crashes left. But it won't show up in the final file, so you don't have the file that crashes left. Oh wait, I should have just... I could have created those diff files from... okay, yeah, it's working anyway. So this is the diff file. What should I see inside of here? So there should be a function open. I should have called it open video because now I need to... These are all strings, so... I should probably put my phone silent. And this one is on silence. So now for... I have no idea what I'm looking at. Okay. I can only imagine the difference being debug symbols with line numbers or whatever, but still weird. Okay, so... Okay, so it just goes to address randomization, making so much noise. Go back to the earlier lines a bit. To which line exactly? Should I just delete the things that don't really need to be here, or? Alright. Like, are these then all variables that I'm creating or something? These are all calls. Debug symbols won't show up in text. Okay. These are all calls and Leah. Are there any like functions that I should... Oh, whoops. Okay, so I guess in here where things are moving. Okay, so this is basically... what's it called again? Assembly? I see this one. Okay, so... Let's go into tests. So this should also work, I think. So no addresses. Bad to test2. And then we have good to. And then we just compare and nvim results. So this still looks like it's quite a high number of. We still have 159,000 things to go through. How are there so many changes from an error? From like an enter. Also no show. Pum pum pum. Oh, oops. And bad. Let's check the results. And we still got a very big file. But I think it's less. There are 2 addresses to remove. Wait. How about we do... Okay, in my head this looked nicer. Okay. Video open godot string. Well, I think this is our video open function then. We video open and we expect a godot string for the paths. And these are probably the if statements then, I guess. I think that might be adding to the file each time, yep. Okay, that probably makes a lot more sense now. It's been a long day. It's just confusing. It does not make sense why an enter should do something like that. Okay, so this is my video open function. Like, I don't understand why everything seems to like be shifted. So if my understanding is correct, these are the differences. So this is one file and this is the other file. But everything seems to be jumped by an actual enter. Is it? Wait. Am I understanding this correctly? Also, no, oh, no, okay, so there's a line in between, so this is the same, but a different address. So if you go to open, so we have this one from the good one, and this one from the bad one. Everything just seems like shifted one, I guess. Like, I don't know how we can troubleshoot from this. Like what I can do is like maybe put those files on in the Discord server, and for brilliant people like you guys, maybe you can find out what exactly is happening. But I cannot tell. I don't know why that's like an enter. Maybe optimization things like was mentioned before, but to me the only thing that changed is like a part of this address. The rest all stays the exact same. It's basically wait. Yeah, that's probably just the address being different, I guess. Look at not jump call lines. This is different. This is different. Which file are you changing? Okay, so maybe we could keep it cleaner by using object_dump on a different file. Which file are you changing? Just the video file, video.cpp. It's ffmpeg. No, ffmpeg.cpp. That's for the audio thing. So, oh, whoops. Let's get out of here. Cd. Oh, whoops. Let's cd. Let's cd gd equals n. Okay, and here. Okay, so there should be a v.o file or something. Okay. Video.os. Okay, better up jump before the link part. It will be a lot smaller. Before the link part? Okay, so this is a lot. Oh, oops. I was gonna say this is a lot smaller, but I deleted some of the lines. So it is a lot smaller. So yeah, the OS files are raw Also, stop it. Well, right now this is a completely new file, so this was made from two completely different completely new created files. Then they're all brought together by before the link part. Can you put a file on Discord? Which files? The video file or the OS file or the other ones? The two objects then from okay, from the OS. Bum, bum, bum. Wait. And up to Discord. Okay, and they are uploaded. Was this now the working version or the non-working version? Non-working. Oh, whoops. Okay, well, it's for me it's a mystery right now. I would kind of like to know what actually is wrong. An enter makes or breaks things. Okay, video playback. That was the whole goal of this live stream. There is something completely going wrong here, and I don't know what's as well. So yeah, there are many things going wrong. Okay, so that's only purple. And that actually becomes white. Looking at it now, thank you. That is also just white, so print L. Y data, U data, V data. Okay, so this. Oh. No, we set that one as well. Oh no, wait, we don't set the, oh. Oh wait, we don't set Okay, this might fix the playback. I did not set Oh! Videos are being displayed. Okay, but there's one big issue that I kind of want to solve right now, because we are setting the frame a little bit too, like, too many times in a row. How can I stop that from happening? Because that will give a performance issue. We should not set a frame if it's moving. So if it's moving, var l new frame is an integer. So if l new frame is not the same, not the same as frame number, then we set this. And I think that should, well, help a bit for this first issue. Okay, so now it only gets called when scrolling. Okay, that's a good thing. There is a lot of print stuff going on, and that's because of this. But this is working, and I don't need, well, I think I don't need to do this. So, yep, we did not need to do that. So I'll change that back. And then we still need to get the correct frame from the video. And that's a little bit more of an annoying part. I can't see anything beyond address randomization. You sure one was crashing? I can't show it again. So right now it works. So if I add a video, it works. We can add it. It also shows an image. The moment that I do that I go to video, CPP, I remove this line and I build it. And I go back in here and I add a video. It crashes. Oh, wait, whoops. Oh, wow, I thought I was sharing my screen. I mean, you recompiled a bunch of times, so for the OS ones. Yes. Yeah, I'm certain that it was crashing at the moment that I made these diff files. I thought I was showing my screen. I forgot to put it back. So now it's crashing again. Remove this line. Remove this line. Compile again. And now it's not crashing. Oh yeah, no, this one is crashing and, whoops. This one is not crashing. Oh, whoops. How many people have been watching? Okay, 5 people are watching right now. And on Twitch, for some reason, 2 people are watching. I don't know how to grow on Twitch. It's not a platform that I'm very familiar with. Wait, compile again? Um, Like, I mean, I can compile them one more time. So I cleaned the file, so... Is this working one? Yeah, this is the working one, so... Oh, whoops. Working. And then we... made the non-working one. By just doing that. And it's crashing, so... This one... not working. I'll take these files out, also put them on the Discord. It's... yeah. Is it... could it be the caching thing that's like getting the wrong cache from... where is the cache actually like saved? So sconce cache... oh wow. Cache clang D. Okay, so I have my... I have the video file here. Should I delete this one and like try again? Like, could this just be like a bad caching thing from sconce? But the strange thing is I have not compiled it. Like, this is a complete... like, I have not really changed that much in this class since I copied it over from the GDE GoZen project. So this should not really be happening anyway. Like, I have not had any like non-working version except for some reason today it suddenly decided not to work anymore. Oh, whoops. I forgot to add the end. Oh, I forgot to add the enter, so things work. And this debug log does not really say anything. It says something like the last error is a libc error. Some newer systems include address space randomization. This interferes with debugging and reproducibility as GCC at times is dependent upon internal addresses for making code generation decisions. Okay, so if you have time to try recompiling both ways with that disabled. Okay, how would I be able to do that? Some newer systems include address space is dependent upon internal addresses for making code generation decisions. Like, I don't 100% know in which file I need to like change that, but I'm willing to test it out because I'm kind of curious to how this is happening. I should probably not do that in like one thing. I don't need these anymore. I do need this one. No, I still need... oh, oops. So seek frame, for seek frame I should... Okay, so var, oh, both with this. Nope. Nope. I don't really know how to do that. It returns bool. Do I need to create like a whole thing here? For I in L and video. Oh no, wait, for video and video. I could just do that in here, probably. And I'm back. I think the compiler flags you want are fno stack protector. How do you guys remember all those things? Oh, whoops. So if I add this to the compiler, can I just... I really hope I can just do this and add this here. No, I cannot. Is it like a way that I can pass different arguments to... Oh, whoops. I guess I will need to do that in this construct under CPP flags. Notice it's option Z. So something is still going strange here. Or maybe that needs to be under link flags. Nope. Frame duration is an integer. Okay. We don't have the whole audio stuff, so that's another thing that we don't need. Set frame image. Nope, we don't really need. So this is rather easy, I guess. A track current frame. It needs to stay in between frame duration, but I think that kind of logic is something we should put inside of and if a frame number is smaller or equal to 0, not smaller than 0, we return and we print an error. If a frame number is bigger than frame duration, can go over frame duration. Let's just do this one. Else. Okay, so that's our seek frame. And then we have the next frame. Okay, I think I should probably switch these two around. Oh, that was only part of the answer to test it. It seems. There's also no pi. I don't know, like, I don't know how to add these kind of like things. So adding it here and oh, what do I keep doing? Wait. CPP flag, yeah, CPP flag should work, but when I try to run it, it just says there's no option such as Z. So, but you don't need the others I suggested earlier. Okay. So if I just do this, it should. Oh, whoops. Okay, so I did not check my commands. On. I don't know if you're kidding with me or not. Only use no pi instead. Like, I if it's not real, then I will look like it. Ah. No pi. Oh, whoops. Well, I guess it cannot hurt to also put it there. Why did that build so quickly? No pi is for the linker on. So F and no pi. Oh, what do I keep doing to my system? Okay, wait, but why does this compile so quickly? I've never had Godot compile this quickly before. Oh, wait. Oh, whoops. This works. And then if you go into video, we remove this line. Oh, wait. Don't forget the link flag. Don't forget the link flag. Line before CPP flags with no pi this time. So I shall put it here. Okay, so this is a crashing one. Without... Okay, so I don't need the F. Wait. I think I know what you're trying to say. So... Wait, did you just cut... Oh. I feel like the kid who's like trying to pay attention in class but keeps missing parts of the lesson and then getting scolded at by the teacher. Okay, I'm wearing my headset, but nothing is really playing, so I'll just put it back to my speakers. I'm not really a fan of wearing headphones. Okay, so compiling suddenly takes a lot longer. There's one for compile and one for link, exactly. Because it won't be easy. See, and Linux people laugh at Microsoft for having a single compiler linker. Joke's on you, I don't really use C++ anyway, so I don't really have to deal with those problems normally. Linux people laugh at Microsoft for having a single compiler linker. I still, like, I made a video like last year or something about the whole, like, I don't understand why people still use Windows. That was probably one of the worst videos that I could have made because I had no idea that there's like this whole thing between Windows users and Linux users. Yeah, ever since that moment, I'm understanding a lot more of the jokes of like, people say this about Windows, people say this about Linux. Those params always feel like trial and error to me. To me, those parameters, like compiling in general, always feels like trial and error. It took me almost a full week to get FFmpeg to compile. I've been learning a lot since I started this project. Like in the last week I've been learning a lot about audio and the formats in which the data is made. Like during the last stream I've learned about static casting arrays to more easily add data to them or change data. I've been learning a ton. And I still have more things to learn. For example, adding enters on random places in your code can make or break it. I'm still very confused about that one. Am I showing my screen? Yes. I tend to forget to show my screen most of the time. By the way, my search. Let's go in this one. I think my energy is more at around like 20. So this will be updated. Yep. I think it does not help that I use caching. Alright, whilst Godot is compiling again, I'll quickly work on this again. So get the next frame. Why does this not want to work? Because we need to get the correct video. I opened the video file multiple times because else I have to keep seeking frames if a certain video is used multiple times. I won't be surprised if it's some weird Q-make shenanigans going on, but it's not. I wish I knew what was going on. Set frame image, we don't need that anymore. So this returns bool, so this returns... Okay, so this always returns true normally. Okay. In before fix is just use LLVM. Failed to set dynamic section sizes. Bad value. Wait, and now I quickly want to test something. So if I go to the video and I add this one again, and I try to run this again, like normally this should be the working version, will this one give the same error? Yes, it does. I don't know how... I don't know how my PC works anymore. Maybe that's why it failed so many tests in school. Because I added an extra space or an enter. Cam died in the right moment. Why? Oh. Oh, that's not... Oh, yeah, no, that's not good. Okay. I have a very cheap HDMI dongle that connects my camera to my PC. So yeah, I don't even know how that even froze, but I think it's probably overheating a little. Oh, now I cannot find anything anymore. So I need to add fpic or something, or... Is that the link flag or the CPP flag? fpic. Okay, well, let's try this. Please don't compile everything again. Wait, the F things are CPP flags and the non-F things are link flags. So this is how it should be. So this will work. Because I have learned something today. And that's compiling again. They exist for both, but with F it's always compiler, I think. So CPP flag. Okay. In the meantime, set next frame image. Where is the set next frame image? Okay, func. We just set the data and that's it. So normally this should all work. See Game Dev Journey channel on Discord. Let's look on Discord. How do I save pictures? Okay. Voila. Okay, I'll read the messages later. Okay, so am I showing my screen again? Yes, I am. But why is normally Twitch is supposed to be the fast one? Use a low latency. Oh, the bitrate is excellent. Normally I was oh wait. I've been dropping frames. I hope my internet is not going bye-bye again. We see codes. Wait, we see codes? Okay, well, on the positive side, I almost got video playback working. Almost. I just don't know if I... How will I do this? How will I do this? Could not find video. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, because that's all broken. So L data dot do I do next frame or seek frame? Okay, let's just have a bool of a seek bool. If a seek else L data dot seek frame if we don't pass the frame number. Is it? No, it's still compiling. A frame number. And the A track, so A ID. Unsafe access? Why unsafe access? Okay, video seek is probably complaining that, yeah. I think I should not have the A-seek here. I think we could probably just do seek at all times. And LFA frame number is equals to plus 1. Let me just do next frame instead. A track and A's, no. Because we still need the A, yeah. Nope, nope, nope. I don't know how to properly implement this part. So we go through all the frames, but we only need, we can only do next frame, or I passed the... That's a bull, and... If a seek, then we just do this, and else... This does not take in mind frame rate at all yet, so that's kind of an issue. I'm reminded at how much nicer it is to work on bare metal so there's no funny address thing, messing my assemblies, and that easy to diff. Okay, it's done. So what, do I create a diff file again from this now? From this OS file? So wait, this is the... wait. A frame number, so that's a frame number, and a seek is a force playhead. A frame number, a force playhead. Now this should always be true. Yeah, I think this is correct. So this should only be called... Yeah. Okay, what was I doing again? Oh yeah, is this working one or not? A track. And skip, I have no idea. Does it work? A check. Wait, why do we do update view inside of here as well? This seems redundant. Okay, so is this working one or not? Let's test. Okay, so this... Wait. Yeah, this is the working one. So I'll generate the working thing. Okay, let's close this one. Let's recompile. Will it do the entire thing again? Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, so this works. Yeah, I just compiled it with those new flags, and now it works without issues. I can import video files now. I am kind of confused right now. And I don't really have a good explanation of why it now works. Like, please tell me that you also saw that just removing an enter and putting an enter was giving a different result and like actual difference in file size. Like, what, 24 bytes difference by just adding an enter? Hey, Beriasa. You missed some strange magic. Adding an enter was breaking my code. Removing an enter. So, oh, whoops. This would make my code work. This would break my code. So, make, break. Okay, I'm doing strange things again. Okay, so it is working, and I have no idea why. But so, yeah, I can say the exact same thing for all of this. Wait, this will always return true, so wait, but why does the frame then not... Normally I should have video playback as well now. Nope, I don't. It is getting the next frame though. Oh, wait. And now I should have video playback. Oh. It's working, I have no idea why. Well, cat out of the box. Oh, yay. Well, I'm glad I don't have to do, like, work on... the thing that I still need to do is, like... Oh, wait, it actually, like... Okay, no. The... Let's quickly use Kden Live. I don't want to, but I have not implemented functionality yet that I can see the metadata from this file. I think this is because this file is not 30 FPS. Like there's probably some kind of like strange yeah, frame rate 29.97. Do not save. So I can't go over frame duration to seek frame in the video. I think it can also be because I did this. Okay, so yeah, the last couple of frames are missing. Wait, is the audio? Let's quickly check if the audio is like on the correct time. Let's delete this file because I have implemented basic cutting and deleting functionality. Let's go to storage. Let's use my test file. I should probably, oh whoops, I should probably put this here. Wait, why is my other audio also still playing? Okay, I can still hear this track. So deleting clips, if I delete this one. No, the audio is... we heard the first beep at 10 before you switch. So when I do this, you cannot... guys? Wait, can you still hear me? Okay. I for a moment I thought I accidentally closed OBS. Okay, so right now I'm 90% on code relocation, making timing differences because of shit being in different cache sections, and locking out on race condition, and 10% on accessing memory improperly. What I think is, I think one of the cache things got messed up, and every single time when I went back to the other one, it was loading that cached version, and I think that was probably like where the error was happening, but I still don't know how that was even possible for like that to happen in the first place. So I think the whole caching thing is probably not really worth it. Like I think the cache thing is causing issues. Alright, so can you hear if I play the audio? Oh no, you cannot. Advanced properties. How do I do this? Why can I not? Properties. Device defaults. So wait, no. Properties, device, family controller? Okay, now it works.
Yeah, I need that.
Okay, wait. Why do I get these frames now? This is not... Why? What is... No, No, this is not the correct clip. Why? Wait, and if I add audio, does it just... I was so happy that everything was working. It's not working. I'm talking CPU cache. Okay. Oh, oops. I thought video playback was working. It is kind of working, but also kind of not. Because right now on having just random... So the loaded clips are not being reset right now. Okay, so for some reason, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On track 5, the clip did not get cleared. So if I put this one here. Why? Why did that one not clear? If correct, we update the view. I have no idea what's going wrong now. This is annoying. So we don't... Wait. Let's reset this. So add this one here.
2, 1, 1, 2.
Okay, so this works. The moment I add a video, let's add a ticking one. Okay, I'll quickly test this and then I'll probably go offline. It's been already kind of a long day. Hi. Well, playback is messed up. Ah, yeah, no, that's still because of the frame number that I don't correctly like calculate. Okay, I'm not certain what was wrong there. Okay, so, well, I guess for tomorrow, we'll leave it at this for today. I'm getting a little bit too tired. To do, calculate correct frame to display, and I think I should, oh whoops, I think I should probably put that instead of update view. Okay, well, anyway guys, I think I'm going off for today. I was only going to be on until like 9 o'clock, but it's almost 10 o'clock now. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I have not updated my Ko-fi supporters yet. Wait. Can I quickly update this? So, my goal, my Ko-fi goal, very unrealistic. I got 21%. I got a new message. Oh. It says I have a new message. I cannot find it. Wait, I'll quickly add. I'll quickly get this file. Okay. Pum 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 pum. Oh wait. Wait. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. You should show it in USD. Sounds less intimidating. Big. Yeah, I could do that, but yeah. If I start in USD, the money that I receive on PayPal and such will be in USD, which is causing issues with the whole conversion. And especially with me now being officially self-employed, I need to register everything into taxes, well, into Japanese yen, and it could cause issues on that part, so I cannot really, yeah. It will sound less intimidating, but it will also be a lot less easy for me. Okay, and now I can show my Ko-fi supporters. Yay! So a big thank you to all my Ko-fi supporters. I think I forgot to show the screen last stream, so yeah, sorry about that. A big thank you, and it's time for me to go to bed. Thanks for watching, thanks for the help. I still don't really know how the whole thing went. Yeah, it's less than less USD each passing day too. Oh, yeah, yeah, the American dollars are, yeah, Japanese yen is going very, very down right now. So 1 USD is now 150, I think. 1 USD to Japanese yen, 157. So yeah, it's not 1 to 100, it's 157. Yeah. Right now, if I get my money from withdraw money from itch.io, that's still in USD. Converting that is kind of fun because every single time when I receive the same amount, like 10 USD, I always get more money. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for the help, by the way, Menaldal and Smax. I don't know like what was happening. It took kind of a long time to figure that out. But at least we got video playback somewhat working. There's still some things that I need to fix. I'll probably be able to do that by tomorrow. So probably tomorrow evening or the next day, or at least before the new year, there will be a new alpha version. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.